In Western Kentucky, real estate is about more than homes. It's about lifestyle, community, and coming home. We are the Stevens Group with Benchmark Realty. We're proudly based in Murray, Kentucky, just minutes from Kentucky Lake and miles of beautiful shoreline. It's a place where lake life, open lands, and strong communities all come together. I am Sue Ann Stevens, and I lead our family team. We have listed and sold over $50 million in residential real estate across Western Kentucky. From lake homes and horse property to residential neighborhoods, our approach has always stayed the same. Treat people right and build relationships that last. My husband, Steve Stevens, keeps the business running smoothly behind the scenes, while also handling specialty residential listings. Seth Stevens is our buyer specialist and is a Murray State University graduate, just like his brothers. He joined the family team right after college and has helped buyers purchase more than $12 million in homes over the last 5 years. Lowell Stevens, also a Murray State graduate, brings expertise in commercial and multifamily real estate after spending several years working overseas before returning home to Murray and his roots. We're proud of the trust families put in us generation after generation. Stevens Group with Benchmark Realty, rooted in Murray, experienced across Western Kentucky, and always focused on home.